Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through Notion AI security risks explained. Notion AI in 2026 is generally considered safe to use for everyday productivity tasks like note-taking, project management, content writing, and organizing information. Your data is protected while being sent over the internet and while stored on their servers due to strong security measures such as data encryption both in transit and at rest. By default, your workspace content is not used to train AI models, meaning your information is not being used to improve public AI systems. The AI only accesses the information you already have permission to view within your workspace. However, it is not recommended to store highly sensitive information such as passwords, banking details, or confidential legal documents inside Notion AI. Most real-world risks are caused by user-related issues such as weak passwords, incorrect sharing settings, or phishing attacks. If you properly secure your account and avoid storing extremely sensitive data, Notion AI remains a safe and reliable tool. It is safe for everyday productivity use in 2026, but not ideal for storing highly confidential or ultra-sensitive information. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.